Today we're going to show you around stateroom 14104 on board P&O's Iona. This is an EE grade deluxe balcony cabin located right at the front of the ship on deck 14. In keeping with the rest of Iona's interiors, the cabins have a contemporary look in neutrals and blues. On the back of the cabin door is all of the usual safety information, including the location of your muster station and how to don a life jacket. The muster station for this room is A, which is the headliner's theatre. Heading into the cabin, you can see that there is plenty of space for a travel cot without blocking any cupboard doors or traffic flow. This cot was provided by P&O, but was a little bit small for our 18-month-old, so bear that in mind if you have a toddler, you might want to bring your own. To the left, there is a desk with a large mirror and some storage. We asked for a bottle warmer to be in the room when we booked, so that was included at no extra cost. With our cruise cards, we were given a spa voucher and each got a pocket map of the ship, which is very handy in those first few days when you're trying to find your way around. On the back, there's also some information about the bars, lounges and restaurants on board. The water in your stateroom is an additional cost, however you can bring a water bottle. There are refill stations around the ship as well as the tap in your bathroom of your stateroom. On these shelves above we have information on how to use the My Holiday website to book dining and entertainment reservations. And here you will also find your room service menu, some information about future cruises and how to book them. And then we also have the breakfast room service order forms which go on your door. Please note that breakfast room service is included in the price of your holiday, but any room service orders that are not on this form will cost extra. A delivery fee of £2.50 is applicable to all room service orders, including breakfast. In the cupboards below there is a fridge and some shelving. If you do need milk for little ones, we were able to get this bottle from our cabin attendant for £2.50. And above that we have tea and coffee making facilities, including a kettle. You will find everything you need in here: tea bags, coffee, biscuits, they're Hudson's favourite part of it. And then up on the wall there is a large flat screen TV. This one tilts out so that you can see it better from the bed. Below the TV you will find some cupboards. These are really shallow shelves in here. As you can see, we use them for Hudson's toys and books, and he really loved them because he had access to them at all times. They were perfect height for him, as was this phone. Not the best place if you have a toddler. They can reach it, and he did call emergency services and shore excursions more than once. Heading over to the bed, you'll see that this is in a king configuration. It also is available as a twin in this stateroom. There are bedside tables either side, and you've got a UK plug, a light switch for the main lights, and also a lamp and reading lamp. On the other side of the bed, however, there is not a UK plug. Please excuse my finger in the shot. This is a light switch instead for a light that we could not find for some time. So I will show you exactly where it is. It is a small floor light just down by the bathroom door. This light was really handy, but we probably would have preferred a plug socket. Next to the bed is one of the best things about this cabin in our opinion, and that's the balcony. There are pros and cons about this balcony on these forward-facing cabins. It's a bit larger than a standard balcony, but it also has a very heavy door that's not sliding, and it also has this glass panel in the middle of it. These are both to protect you from the elements, from waves, from wind, because it is at the front. You've got 2 chairs and a table, and as you can see, it is a steel fronted balcony instead of glass. Now, again, this is to protect you because you're at the front of the ship, but the view is amazing. When you're sitting in the chairs, you cannot see this view, you need to be standing to see. However, this cabin is almost right under the bridge, which means that we have got basically the same view as the captain. On a Norwegian fjords cruise, which is what Iona does most, this is the most stunning view. It meant that if Hudson was having a nap and we didn't want to miss out on any of the fjords, or we came in really early through a fjord, we didn't miss anything. Back inside the cabin and heading past the bed, we have the sofa. This is a large 3-seater sofa and also pulls out to a single bed. There is a side table that can be moved around as you wish. There's plenty of storage space in this cabin, and next to the sofa you will find 4 floor-to-ceiling cupboard doors, one with a full-length mirror. Inside these cupboards you will find plenty of shelving space, lots of hanging space with hangers included, a safe, hairdryer, a laundry bag, and of course your life jackets. As I mentioned previously, this room is right at the front of the ship, so you do feel the rockiness just that little bit more than a midships room. If you don't have clothes on all of your hangers, you may find that they're quite noisy, especially at night when you're trying to sleep. It was difficult for our toddler, so the bars are really easy. They just lift straight out and you can pop them back the next day. Heading back towards the main door, you've got some hooks and your thermostat in this hallway. There's also this handy magnetised sign which goes on your door. It says "Gone exploring" or "Taking it easy," so if you don't want to be disturbed, then you pop it on "Taking it easy." If you've gone out and you want your room made up, pop it on "Gone exploring." These hooks were also super handy. They're magnetised hooks that you can put anywhere in the room that is metal, so pretty much all of the bulkheads or walls are metal. As you can see, I've popped it over by the bed. They're really, really strong magnets, so you can pop just about anything on there. The bathroom is just next to the front door, and it is one of the most light, bright and spacious bathrooms I've ever seen on a cruise ship. We both really appreciated that there wasn't a shower curtain on the shower. There is nothing worse than having that stuck to you. There's a washing line in the shower which we use for our swimming stuff a lot. The shower head is great. You've got your toilet, loads of storage space and shelving. And then you've got this really big, bright lit mirror, which is great for doing your makeup. Hand soap, shower gel and shampoo are all provided. They are from the White Company in the scent Flowers, which is really nice. It feels a little bit luxurious. Plenty of towels and hand towels are provided, and like many hotels and cruise ships these days, Iona runs a system where you put your towel on the floor to have it replaced, or you hang it back up to reuse it. This is to reduce washing and the impact on the environment. The bathroom door can be held open by turning the stopper on the door closer, and there's also a hook on the back of this door as well. And here is some footage of the room during the day set up in a twin configuration. We hope you enjoyed this room tour of Iona's Deluxe Balcony Cabin 14104. If you'd like to see vlogs of our 7-night Norwegian Fjords cruise on board P&O's Iona, then keep your eye on our channel and subscribe if you'd like to. Thanks for watching!